May I ask you that what is your age?
Yes, of course. I'm 39.
Wow. So you look younger, like 23.
Okay. Okay. That was a good one. Okay. I really appreciate that. But it's because you're young. You don't really.
Hello.
Hello.
And how are
How
you?
do you say? I'm well, thank you. And you?
Yeah, fine.
How do you?
My name is Indrojit.
Indrajit. Okay, Indrajit. Okay, I can hardly hear you though. It's very low.
Oh, okay. Madam, just 1 minute. Now, can you hear me?
That's okay.
Okay.
It's very low, but I'll make it out. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from India. I'm the east part of India.
Where? What city?
City's name is Kolkata.
Okay, I don't know that city.
It is popular city as well as busy city.
It's a what city?
Busy.
A busy, like crowded, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 23.
Ah, okay. Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm doing bachelor degree. I am an student of engineer and only 1 year left to become graduate.
Okay, what kind of engineer?
Yeah, the team name is Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Again?
Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Electronics and communication engineering. Okay. So what is that, like cell phones?
It is related to gadgets, electronic gadgets, as well as circuit.
Okay. I don't know. That's not what I studied.
It's like
Okay.
software engineering.
Software engineering. Okay, that now makes a little more sense. And so one more year and then you're gonna start working or you wanna do your master's?
A job on campus, then I definitely go for that. Otherwise, I studied. I continued my study as a MTech,
As a what?
master degree, MTech,
Oh,
Master
that's
of
what I
Tech.
said. Okay, so you want to do your master's. Okay. And you're going to continue your master's in India?
Yeah, actually, I want to do that in abroad. I want to study abroad. If I get a
You want to study
yeah,
where? Do you know or have you not decided?
yeah, USA or UK,
USA or UK? Okay.
and
Okay.
the most probably it would be California or Florida, particularly.
Oh, why not? Um, okay. I was going to say, why not New York? Because I'm from there.
Oh, okay. So and madam, yeah, what is the culture there in your city?
The culture in my city?
Yeah,
What do you mean specifically?
specifically. So is there love marriage or arranged marriage? What happened there? What?
In New York,
Yeah, in New York.
I would say mostly mistake marriages.
Okay.
Love marriage, probably, mostly. I mean, I guess I do know some people that had arranged marriages, but they were not like, they were, they were foreigners.
Oh, I see. And
Yeah.
I checked your profile that you love cooking. So what special cooking item did you cook today?
Today, actually, I am not going crazy cooking. Right now, I have some chicken in the oven and I have some sweet potatoes that I roasted earlier. And then I'm having a salad with it. That's
Oh,
it.
so great. And so
And you?
yeah, I do not cook. I cannot cook, but I can make teas and also
You
like
can make what? Tea?
yeah, I can make tea.
Like from scratch? Like you pick the leaves and then
It
you
is.
dry them and make tea?
It is no, no, no. I can drink tea drink. I can make.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Me too.
Oh, thank.
Oh God, I thought you actually made tea. Okay, I totally misunderstood that.
So that the Darjeeling tea, it is the world famous tea in India. That is Darjeeling tea. It is called
What is it called?
Darjeeling tea. Do you heard about it?
No, how do you write that? Write it? Let me see.
Oh yeah.
And I'll show you which one I drink from India. I drink this tea, Yogi,
Oh, Yogi. Okay.
Darjeeling tea.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Then the state name is. I mean, the city name is Darjeeling. It is the
okay.
district, but in there, the tea, whatever is cultivated, it is the world famous tea.
Really?
Yeah, and you can Google it also.
Does it have like healing powers or like what is it? Why is it so special?
As well as the essence, the smell,
Again.
the flavor, essence, the smell, right? That
Oh, okay. So it's not like medicinal. It's just it tastes great.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay. Actually, yogi tea tastes really great too, but I honestly believe it has some healing powers.
Oh,
I feel better after I have a cup of yogi tea.
yeah. And so, and what do you do there? Only teach or anything else do you do?
No, right now I'm only doing like my online
Yeah, yeah, it's
classes like this.
very safe and it is very good. And
Yeah.
work from home, it is very nice, right?
It's
Because
it's very comfortable.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm lucky to be able to find jobs like this, actually. I prefer I wake up, I don't even brush my hair. I sit in front of the computer.
Oh,
And it's very easy.
and yeah, exactly. And what is the time there now?
Well, now I'm not in New York. I'm in Turkey now, and it is 1 p.m.
Oh, 1 p.m. So
What is it
now,
over there?
yeah, it is 3:30 p.m. So almost,
3 p.m.?
yeah, 3 p.m.
3 p.m. or 3:30 p.m.?
3:30 p.m.
3:30 p.m. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're pretty close actually.
Okay. So I can see you from my roof.
Yeah, go. Go look. You live home with your family?
Yeah, I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt, and also with my grandmother.
Oh, where you're not with your immediate family?
I am an orphan.
Ah, okay. Oh, you should have started with that. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Do you mind if we get into
what?
Okay. I was gonna say, do you mind if we talk about this a little bit? But I don't know if it's allowed. Never mind. We'll talk about it
Okay.
privately.
And
Okay.
who do you live with?
I live with my dog.
Wow, so you are a pet lover.
Yes, I am.
I really love dogs more than cats, and I feed some local dogs in
You
my.
do? Me too.
Oh wow, so
Yeah,
great.
I feed the local dogs and then I like if they're not well, I pick them up and I bring them to the vets or I call like
Yeah,
the city and they pick them up. It's very bad here. Yeah.
and so and yeah, I may I ask you that what is your age?
Yes, of course. I'm 39.
Wow, so you look younger, like 23.
Okay. Okay. That was a good one. Okay, I really appreciate that. But it's because you're young, you don't really.
And so, so do you love yoga? because you love
I
yogi.
I do. I love yoga. Actually, yoga saved me. I had trouble walking for a long time, and then I guess like my doctor recommended that I try yoga because nothing else was working, so I did, and now I'm able to stand up straight and walk comfortably. Like it's a miracle worker. Do you do it?
Yeah, I do yoga as well as I swim
Oh, you
once a
swim
week in my nearby pond.
in a pond?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Ew.
Yeah.
Don't swim there.
Why?
Ew. It's
Yes, it is
probably
really
there's bugs in there. What?
it is clean and clear, and it is, yeah, maintained by the municipality. So
Can
it
you
is
tell
very
me the name of the pond? I'm gonna Google it.
pond. No, there is no specific name, but I could swim on the river that is Ganges. Do you
Oh,
heard about it? The
no, I
holy
haven't
river.
heard that. I write it down. I have to Google it.
Yeah, here it is. It is the holy river in India.
It's a holy river?
Yeah.
Ah.
Because this water is used for, I mean, adoring the idols.
Oh, okay. So it has like healing powers?
Yeah, some believe that.
Oh, some believe that. Okay. Do you believe that?
Yeah, I also,
Oh, okay.
because whenever I bathe in that Gangas, and then I can feel that I am very fresh, and
Um,
I myself.
okay. No, like it makes you feel different, I guess, like better.
Yeah, it is feel. Uh, it is feeling like
Okay. Is it also clear? I know rivers are usually clear.
it looks white water.
Really? Wait, can you write down the name? What?
It is not transparent, because actually generally water is transparent, but the water on the Ganges river, it is not transparent. It looks like white. You
What?
can Google.
That's
Yeah, white
weird. Wait, can you
white
write
water.
down the area where you live, like the city that you mentioned before, but I can't say it because I don't know how to.
That is Kolkata, and the state name is
Oh,
West
West
Bengal.
Bengal. Okay, I know where that is. Okay. Okay. So Kolkata and Ganges. Okay, this is what I'm gonna Google so
Yeah,
I can see what the
you can
river looks like.
search it, the Ganges river, then you can find it.
Oh, okay. And I'll find the pond too. I'm really good with
Oh,
Google Earth.
so can you swim?
Actually, I'm not a very good swimmer, I think.
Oh,
I guess
yes.
you're good since you can swim in the river. Yeah?
And pond too.
What?
And pond too. I can swim in the
Oh, don't. Don't swim there. It's gross.
oh, and today is this your hectic schedule of on Cambly?
It's what?
Is this your hectic day of Cambly?
Is it a hectic day? Um, it's only as hectic as I let it be. So if I open 5 hours, then
Oh,
I would consider that hectic because this is not my only job. So, like,
oh,
yes, so today is a hectic day. I will be working
oh.
all day.
And, and what do you do in your spend in your leisure time?
In my leisure time, I will watch a lot of Netflix. What do
Oh,
you do?
yeah. I also noticed that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What do you do?
yeah. I love painting, so I used to paint. Yeah,
Really? What kind
yeah.
of paint?
I used watercolor and a lot of sceneries like landscapes of urban and rural.
Really? Wait, so
I
can
love,
you like paint like what you see? Like visual?
yeah, landscape and also something wandering in my brain.
Something that's in your brain, really?
You are so funny. It was really
Something that
awesome.
you thought of.
Yeah, my time is running out, madam. So it was really, really lovely to meet you.
Actually, yeah,
And
thank
see
you
you.
for the email, by the way. Not everybody asks, so thank you. I appreciate that.
Oh, madam. So don't worry. See you soon. Happy. Stay safe.
Enjoy. Bye
Bye.
bye.